course, today's video is actually my Glam Winter Cozy Bathroom Tour. But before we get into this bathroom tour, if you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap your bell twice, and you'll know when I am uploading a video. Now I'm going to actually do what I normally do when I'm showing you a room. I'm going to show you the room, then I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you where I got everything from, whether I DIY'd it or purchased. Drop all that information down in the video link. To everyone, if you like home tours, please make sure you check out my Glam Winter Kitchen Tour. I'm dropping that link in the description box. All right, if you want to see what I created for my Glam Winter Bathroom Tour, I just say stick around. All right, family, as you come in my bathroom, you know I always use curtains in the place of my shower curtains, and these are a sage mint green color mixed in with my white shears, because I did want that light. Even though the curtains are thin, I still wanted that light from my window to actually penetrate my bathroom space. So that's where we done that. And the curtains came from Amazon, and I will be dropping the links. It's my intentions to drop the links for all of the products down in my description box. The green one came from Gorgeous Home, and the shears came from Fine Linen. The rug I have in the floor, this is a seafoam green rug. This actually came from Walmart. You know, my two lanterns, and the lanterns was purchased from Walmart as well. My towels here And you know, I always like to coordinate my tiles with what's in my bathroom. And I have those white and green with that diamond wrap layered on the top. And all of the tiles came from Walmart. Both of the big tiles was $5.99 a piece, and the hand tile was $3.99. We have this canvas painting here, and that actually came from Dollar General. I have two. I didn't put it up, but I may go back and add it in. But I have two of these, and I was trying a little something different because I do love my mirrors. I wanted to play with canvases this year for some reason. So that came from Dollar General, and it was $10 everyone. Then we get to here. Now you know my little white shelf has been in the space forever. I think this may be the last run unless I do a couple more floating shelves is what I'm thinking about. But that vase on top of that shelf is actually a Dollar General find, and it was $8 or $10. Then also this green floral pick, and this picture has sage green, emerald green, baby green, mint green, seafoam green, mixed in with your hues of white, a little shade of blush or pink, a little shade of gold, and even a little shade of copper. That is a Dollar General find as well, and it was $10. You should remember this is a mirror, is a DIY that I done over a year ago. And everything that's a DIY in here, I'm dropping the link in the description as well. So that will be in that description. You should have recently saw these two pictures here that are DIYs that I created. And I love how it looks over top of the shelf. You remember my two vases here that were also DIYs. And this was either my, these are my MARIAH CAREY inspired DIYs here. Along with that vase in the center, that is a Dollar General find. The vase was $10. And of course, my sprays and picks, and they are from Hobby Lobby. Roses, and Hobby Lobby roses and Michaels, I think. I think I have 2 or 3 in there that are from Dollar General and Dollar Tree. Then we have on this shelf here, and these dishes that you saw me doing a haul right during fall time or right before Christmas, they are actually potpourri dishes. So I have it filled in with my potpourri, and it smells amazing in here. These two green decorative vases are DIYs that I created. I have that silver acorn, which was from Hobby Lobby. It was $5.99, I think, followed by my white floral vase. Don't know where I got it from. Then I also have this vase here and that vase there, and both of these vases are from Dollar General, but I upcycled them or DIY. It made them look the way I wanted, and they were $3 each, and the succulents actually came from Dollar Tree, and that's a total of 9 or 10 succulents that was $1 a piece. Then I have those two amber frosted candle holders here that came from Dollar General. They were $2. My vase in the center came from Dollar General as well. It was $6, and all of those marbles you see on the inside came from Dollar Tree. There was $1 a bag, and I think it's 6 bags inside of that vase. All right, everyone, I just took you through my cozy winter bathroom. I hope you're liking it, and you'll see this year I'm leaning toward the blues and the greens, but long. All right, royalties, that completes my Glam winter cozy bathroom tour. And again, if you're still watching and you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Also share this video with anyone and everyone that you think would like the content. I'm also dropping the video link for that Glam kitchen tour. Make sure you check out that video as well. Alright, now you know your girl can't close out anything without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.